How to get Bridgerton filter on TikTok. So if you want to get the Bridgerton filter on TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now go for the profile, or you just need to go for the plus icon which is on the bottom middle. Once you tap on the plus icon, now you just need to simply go for video, and under video you can go for the effects which is on the bottom left. Tap on the effects. Under effects you need to go for search. Under search here it will take you to discover effects, right? So you need to simply go for the search bar and search for Bridgerton filter, and here you will get all of the Bridgerton filters. So you can simply choose any filter that you would like. So for example, if you choose the first one, tap on it, and then here you will have the Bridgerton filter. So again, tap on the Bridgerton filter, and here you will have your Bridgerton filter. So you can simply use this Bridgerton filter. So that's how you can get the Bridgerton filter. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.